Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing what you will actually use. Open the base image and the overlay image in your editor, then set the canvas to the final output size so nothing gets clipped. Make sure resolution and color profile match. You want consistent sharpness and color. Next, resize the overlay close to the scale you intend, because doing rough placement now saves time later. Once done, lock the base layer and keep the overlay on a separate layer for direct control. Now you position and align the overlay precisely. Use the transform tool with numeric fields or snap guides so you get exact placement. Small rotation steps help when matching perspective. Instead of erasing, add a layer mask and paint with a soft brush. That keeps the change reversible and lets you feather edges for a natural blend. Then test blending modes and opacity. Each mode interacts differently with the base, so adjust until the overlay reads as part of the scene rather than paste it on. Finish by matching color and depth so the overlay feels native. Use curves, levels, or selective color with clipping masks to target only the overlay. That preserves the base. If your overlay looks too sharp or soft, apply a slight blur or sharpen to match depth of field, and always inspect at 100%. Make sure to save a layered source file before exporting a flattened JPG or PNG. If alignment or color looks off later, reopen the layered file and tweak masks, blending mode, or curves.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.